Hello, everyone! Today, we're going on an exciting journey through the alphabet from A to Z. Each letter will ask a fun question, and I'll give you the answer. Let's see how many you already know. The Q&A journey starts now. What fruit is red, sweet, and keeps the doctor away? The answer is apples. B. What floats in the sky and comes in many colors? The answer is balloons. C. What purrs softly and loves to nap? The answer is cats. D. What animal quacks and swims in the pond? The answer is ducks. E. What is a large gray animal with a long trunk? The answer is elephant. F. What grows in gardens and smells lovely in spring? The answer is flowers. G. What tall animal eats leaves and has a long neck? The answer is giraffe. H. What do we wear on our heads to stay warm or look fancy? The answer is hats. I. What cold, creamy treat do we love to eat in the summer? The answer is ice cream. J. What do we do when we hop up and down? The answer is jump. K. What flies high in the sky on a windy day? The answer is kite. L. What is the king of the jungle? The answer is lion. M. What lights up the night sky and is round? The answer is moon. N. Where do birds keep their eggs safe? The answer is nest. O. What sea creature has 8 legs? The answer is octopus. P. What furry friend barks and loves to play? The answer is puppy. Q. Who wears a crown and rules a kingdom? The answer is queen. R. What appears in the sky after it rains? The answer is rainbow. S. What twinkles in the night sky? The answer is stars. T. What chugs along tracks and says choo-choo? The answer is train. U. What keeps us dry in the rain? The answer is umbrella. V. What healthy green foods are good for you? The answer is vegetables. W. What giant sea creature spouts water? The answer is whale. X. What musical instrument do you tap to make sounds? The answer is xylophone. Y. What toy spins up and down on a string? The answer is yo-yo. Z. What animal has black and white stripes? The answer is zebra. Wow! We made it through the whole alphabet. From A for apples to Z for zebras. Each letter is so exciting and full of fun surprises. Remember, learning your ABCs is the first step to learning amazing things. Thank you for joining me today, and keep exploring the wonderful world of letters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Please subscribe.